So hi gang, welcome back again to Miles to Zip. I know it's been a while since we put up something, but there was just too much going on, too much of work. So after a very long time, we are out on a ride, and this time we are at the Bhatinda Falls, which is a little past Dhanbad in Jharkhand, and we just came out on a cold early morning ride. We've just reached here, and the view is simply spectacular. So I hope you guys are doing good and well. And welcome back again to Miles to Zip. And if you haven't subscribed, please smash that subscribe button. And let's get on. So these are the Bhatinda Falls. So here we are, Jharkhand, Dhanbad. Beautiful place. The Bhatinda Falls is a waterfall located in Dhanbad, Jharkhand. And it's just 14 kilometers away from the Dhanbad railway station. This beautiful place is tucked away in rough hill rocks and trees and vegetation all around it. The falls are also surrounded by these enormous boulders that you see. They're all of solid rock. The sound of flowing waterfalls has both calming and wistful effect on those who experience them. So all you need to do is just come and relax out here. Just lie back on the rocks, close your eyes, and this place takes you away to such peace and tranquility. It's simply amazing and beautiful. So those of you who are interested in nature might enjoy this breathtaking view. This is also a sort of a confluence of two rivers near the Bhatinda Falls. The Katari river that comes down from Parishnath and flows from the north to the south, reaching Munidi. Then the Damodar river comes from the east. So these two rivers meet near the falls. And most of these rocks out here that you see, they are all inclined at an angle of 12 degrees to the river. It is like concealed so well by all these rocky outcrops and lush green surroundings. The rock formations that you see with gigantic stones surround this entire place and make it look even better. So those of you who will hear the waterfalls and the sounds in motion will feel both at ease and sort of nostalgic sort of feel that you get out here. So come over here if you want to have a little bit of peace and tranquility, guys. It's a beautiful place. So to get out here, just a small little update. The nearest airports is at Ranchi or Kolkata. Or you can take a train right up to the Dhanbad railway station, which is just 14 kilometers away from this place. So from there you can either take a taxi or a car or something that brings you to this place, which is just 14 kilometers. You can take a auto as well from the Dhanbad railway station, and these modes of transport will bring you here to this place in less than half an hour. So there are a lot of times where they have picnics and all here. So it's a place just to get away. And trust me, guys, we were here for around an hour, and it's like, all you need to do is just close your eyes and just listen to the sounds of nature. You won't hear traffic, you won't hear car sounds, you won't hear the honkings of buses. It's just peaceful. It's just such a peaceful sort of a view that you get from here. So as you can also see, this is something that needs to be also pointed out as well. As beautiful as this place looks, it's also very dangerous as well. So because of it's so attractive, people tend to climb up to places way up, and then a lot of people at times slip and fall. So they say they have three ponds. There are three ponds in the center of this fall, and a lot of them are quite deep. They have sort of deep wells, and so you got to just watch where you go, because a small mistake can take your life out here. So these little streams and ponds that you see, they are three massive wells that go right deep down. So all these trenches, and you can see in the rocks of years of water erosion that has formed all these beautiful sort of sculptures, if I may say, in the rocks as well. But it's simply amazing, guys. We were there. It took us. We came by road. We came by bikes. We just took this ride, and it's so beautiful. The roads also in Jharkhand are simply amazing. It's a beautiful ride. So it took us roughly around 2 hours to get here, and once you come and sit, it's like so hard for you. You just don't want to leave and go. So if you guys ever want to break away from all your hectic work hours and schedules, Bhatinda Falls is a beautiful place to come. And there are a lot of guest houses and places that you can eat and stay close to this place. So if you do your research, there are a few restaurants and hotels that you can actually stay in. But so if you don't find them online on the apps, you can always come here, and I'm sure you'll find a place to stay. Food is plentiful, because since it being just 14 kilometers from Dhanbad, you can always book into a lodge or a place in Dhanbad, and then book a cab or a car or something to come here. It's not that far away. Jharkhand, as we have seen through our rides that we do, is simply amazing and beautiful. And there are so many of these sites that we come up on that are really worth seeing. They're just simply beautiful and mind-blowing. So if you guys ever want a breakaway for a few days, visit this spot, guys, because it's simply beautiful and so peaceful. So here we are, the Bhatinda Falls in Jharkhand. Enjoy. So that was the Bhatinda Falls in Jharkhand. I hope you guys have liked this vlog. It was a fantastic ride. So give this clip a thumbs up, guys, if you like it, and please subscribe to Miles to Zip. It really helps us. That's all we ask. Just one smash of the subscribe button. Stay safe and be good, and we shall see you soon. Take care, guys. Cheers.